Hello dear viewers, welcome to yet another episode of our YouTube tutorial videos. So in this tutorial video today, I'm going to take you through how you can do vectoral hatching and also to enable shadows to various elevations and sections of designs so that you can enhance another perspective of your ArchiCAD design, because in most cases you'll realize that the color of a particular design may not give a true reflection of how that particular design looks like. So in this instance, I have various elevation points, but I'll prefer to use the east elevation so that you can also be able to customize yours according to the different elevation points that you have. So for me, I'll start by using east. Of course, we have east, north, all the cardinal points of our compass: east, north, south, and west. But I'll just choose this particular tutorial video to use east. Then in your own free time or in your practice, you can use the other points as far as your design is concerned. So the first thing that I'll do is, having activated the east elevation viewpoint, I'll simply go and right click on the elevations. Then you go to east, I'll right click on it, then I'll locate the elevation settings, click on it. Then I will simply go to the model display and look at the uncut elements. Of course, the cut elements may not give us the true reflection of the shadow that we want, so we'll go to the uncut elements, just scroll and check on the fill uncut surfaces. So under that, we'll go and look at fill uncut surfaces with own surface colors that should be shaded. So I'll click on that. Then I'll simply go to the next one is vectoral hatching in 3D. Remember, we want to enable it, so I will check that box, and then I'll uncheck transparency, because we want the shadows to appear, and the shadows in this case may not give the true colors of that particular design. So we will uncheck the transparency while checking the vectoral 3D hatching. Then the next point, we'll go to the sun shadows. Under the sun shadows, we'll have the viewpoint sun settings, which I will leave as custom. Of course, you can be able to have it as in 3D window, but for this way, I'll just leave it as a custom. Then have it as 45 degrees, the sun altitude as 45, same as the azimuth. And then what we'll do now is go to the sun shadow and simply click on it, or rather, check on that, enable the sun shadow, and then we'll just click on OK, and let us see what comes out. So this is what will definitely come out as far as the shading is concerned. You'll be able to see that some of the shadows are visible from the window, and also the entire part of the model is dark in color. So we only have dark, black rather, and the white surfaces that are particularly as far as remember, they are uncut elements as far as the model was concerned. So this is just a way of enabling the shadow settings and also the vectoral hatching. So in the next tutorial video, we'll also look at another method of doing that using the view tool. So kindly keep looking out for more of our videos, and see you in the next tutorial video. Thank you.